CashWalk app, daily step counter, walk and get health and money. So here's the app, track your steps, keep walking and stay healthy. So you can just track your daily steps. Are you looking for a motivational pedometer to help you stay fit and improve your health? CashWalk can be an excellent choice for all ages. We automatically track every step for your health and you even get paid for it. So yeah, there are a bunch of apps in this category, but you can just get rewards for your steps, get coins for every step up to maximum 10,000 steps, redeem gift cards, and then yeah, that's basically the idea how you can just. So it's exclusive to iOS as well. It doesn't have there's no Android app in here. So let's just open it up and so then yeah, you can just go and create an account easily. Let's check it out. So yeah, this works, and then you just select country. If you have a referral code, you can add a referral code. And then yeah, you can just go and start it. And then yeah, you can just go and start the referral code. There is 100 cents bonus. And then there are gift cards. You see, if you're getting 10,000 coins, you can get $10 Amazon gift card. So 10,000 coins. So I don't know how many steps you're getting. So at least for now, you can just tap it out and get current coins. And then you also have your referral code. Feel free to use my referral code S2144. So there are some, additional things how you can earn like money by doing some additional surveys and tasks. So yeah, this app is, and then there is also a community where you can see how many people are saying and upvoted some interesting stuff. So yeah, pretty cool. And then yeah, you can again invite friends. You will receive 100 coins and your friends will receive 500 coins when they join CashWalk using your referral code. So that's the idea. So feel free to use it like that. So here's my referral code. But yeah, this is the app. Just use it. There is another app I was using called Sweat Wallet. And then there is another, I think like Reward or have it. Reward app. So yeah, it's a mobile application that rewards users for walking. Another one. So again, Sweat Wallet, Reward, and this one. I think these are like top apps. So try it.